Mimi that's floating around Instagram about I do this for you, I not do that for you. That's why that looks like that, because it's just entirely way too much glue. And if
Get the money, queens get the money. Queens 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 get
What's up, ladies? It's Brooke, your favorite esthetician, and I want to talk to you guys about applying individual lashes. This is the glue that I use. I know most schools teach you to only use lash glue, but that stuff can get really hard and it can be very uncomfortable for the client. My clients prefer bonding glue, so that's what I use. This is the brand that I use. This is Kiss Eye Envy and Ultra Black Knot Free. I just think it's classier. The knot really gives it that ghetto ratchet look, and I don't like that. I usually take the little plastic thing that comes on top of the lashes and I just pour a little dot of glue in that, and it just makes it easier for me to go from applying the glue to the lash and then applying the lash to the lid. I had to switch up my models because my camera angle sucked, as you can see. So let's get started. I usually start on either one end of the eye, whether it's the inner corner or the outer corner. I put that first one down, and then I put that second one down next to the corner of the first one. So I try to go from tip to tip, and I do that all the way across. If you can look at the base of the lash, you see that I don't put much glue at all. I just maybe like a dab. I just take it off of the tray and I dab it into that little dot of glue that I put on there. Y'all, do not take that lash and drag it across that glue. That is so, that it just gives it such a raunchy look. That little Mimi that's floating around Instagram about I do this for you, I not do that for you. That's why that looks like that, because it's just entirely way too much glue. If your client asks for more glue, just tell her, you know, that you think that that's not a classy look, and to just not take very hot showers and not to sleep on her face, and that should make her be able to keep her lashes lasting for about a good 2 weeks. It's all in proper care. That's what you just got to tell them. You just got to properly care for your lashes. So now that we've got that base established, we're going to go through and we're going to close up all those gaps. Now, this may look easy, but y'all, I have been doing this for 2 years. I was doing this before I even got my license. This is what inspired me to get my license. So it only takes me about 15 minutes to do a full set of individuals. But when you first start doing this, it is going to be difficult. The lashes may not lay the way that you want to lay them, but just practice. I did them for free until I got the hang of it. I didn't charge anybody anything until I got the hang of it. And I jacked a lot of people up too. So, but yes, just keep practicing. If you have to get a mannequin in practice, I practiced a lot on a mannequin as well, and mannequins are only like $15 on eBay. So, and if you're in school, you got one already if they've given you your kit. So just practice makes perfect. Be patient, don't give up, because this is what I do the most out of the body contouring, the facials, the body wax, and all of that. This is my most lucrative service. I only charge $20, and I have to get people in and out. So just make sure that you're practicing so that you can get it down. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Y'all see my girl talking. I talk to all my clients like y'all, like we just go way back, because I just like to talk, and it's just, you know, it makes them comfortable. So I'm just going to keep going. I'm just going to keep filling in all of those gaps. I'm going to make it full, pretty, and I'm going to make sure that I'm not getting any lashes on her lid. If you see something riding up, it's looking like it's getting up there on the lid, take your tweezers and push them down. And I know in this video you can see me using my fingers, but of course, you know, I wash my hands. We all have that. We all took the little class where, you know, you got to keep your hands clean and all that other stuff. So my utensils are clean, my hands are clean. But use your tweezers, push them down, get them off the lid. We just want those lashes laying neatly at the lash line. And I'm going to throw some pictures in here of the end result. I only did one eye because we're really just focusing on technique right now. Thank you, ladies, so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below on other videos that you want to see. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good rest of the day.
Queens get the money, queens get the money. Queens get the money, queens get the money. Queens get the money, queens get the money. Queens get the money, queens get the money.
I